Hello, Crest pontoon boat owners. Put in this VHF radio this weekend. Was taking this compartment off. What I noticed is the nuts that the factory is using to hold that on are right here, and they just get loose because you can't tighten them up that much. In fact, if you over tighten them, you're going to break the stud off the frame here because they're just like glued on with some epoxy. So ask me how I know. So I thought I'd improve that, and there's a lot of stress on this hardware when this door is flinging open like that. It's pulling back and forth on the fiberglass that it's mounted to. So I got some of these rubber grommets. Used this one right here on the inside of the frame, that one on the back side of the inside of that compartment, the washer, and then I went out and got these lock nuts. That way I don't have to tighten them down very much. So you just squish the rubber a little bit and you're good. So it might be a winter project for some of you guys, maybe to improve this, because I imagine if you check this out, you might have some of these nuts, the original hardware here, just getting loose because you can't tighten those up that much. You don't want to do that, by the way. And yeah, just check it and see what you think. But I'll post the pictures of the hardware I bought and the pictures inside there. It's a little tough to see on this. It's all solid.